Let us show that the multiplication law or the product rule as one of the laws of exponents, which states that the product of a to the power of m and a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. To start with, let's not forget that if we say a on all of these expressions, these are what we call as the base. And you have your m and n both to be exponents. Okay? This law or rule will only work if you have the same base and you simply add the exponents. And here is the illustration for this given law. Take note that if we have a to the power of m, this can be written as the product of a, dot, 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 a, where there are m of them. Because if we say m as our exponent, that means that indicates the number of a that we are multiplying. So just like this here. And if we say a to the power of n, that's also true. A times times dot, 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 a, there are n of them. Okay? So they are not necessarily be the same, but of course there are some instances where n and m could be the same. But in this case, they are not necessarily the same. So if we have the product of a, m, and a to the power of n, using the representation, this is equal to a times times dot, 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 a, there are m of them. This is multiplied to a times dot, 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 a, there are n of them. And take note, they're all under multiplication. Just like this, exponentiation is a shorter way of writing a series of multiplication of the same base. So this would mean that there are m of them, there are n of them here, and they are still under the same operations of multiplication. That would mean the number of a that being multiplied here is the sum of n, m, and n. In short, just by writing this into one, you have this all the same base. You have here a, and how many a's are being multiplied here? There are actually m plus n a's. This is the proof or the illustration that if we are multiplying exponentiation to the same base with different exponents, or they can be the same, we are just going to copy the base and simply add the exponents. So this is the proof for this law. So again, this is properties, laws, and theorems. Please subscribe now.